Hello! Today we are going to be learning about rocks. We're going to learn about the three types of rock. But let me first start off by singing you a song. You ready? Sedimentary rock has been formed in layers, often found near water sources with fossils from decays. Then there's igneous rock, here since Earth was born. Molten lava, cool and hard, and that's how it was formed. These two types of rocks can also be transformed. With pressure, heat, and chemicals, metamorphic they'll become. Sedimentary rock has been formed in layers, often found near water sources, with fossils from decays. Then there's igneous rock, here since Earth was born. Molten lava, cooled and hardened, that's how it was formed. These two types of rocks can also be transformed. With pressure, heat, and chemicals, metamorphic they'll become. Okay, so we're going to all learn this song, but we're going to first off by learning the first part. So, let's sing it together. Sedimentary rock has been formed in layers, often found near water sources with fossils from decays. Okay, you all ready? I'm going to say the first two lines of the section and then you sing them, okay? Sedimentary rock has been formed in layers. Your turn. Good job. Now I'm going to sing the second part. Often found near water sources with fossils from decays. Good job. Okay, can we sing it all together? Okay. Sedimentary rock has been formed in layers, often found near water sources with fossils from decays. Alright, good job. Let's do it with the ukulele. Sedimentary rock has been formed in layers, often found near water sources with fossils from decays. So, what is the first rock we sang about? Sedimentary rock. That's good. So, can anybody tell me from the song, how do these rocks form? Yes, they are formed in layers near water sources filled with many fossils. That's good. Good job. Y'all are paying attention. So, let's learn the second part of the rock cycle song. So, we just learned about sedimentary rocks, so I'm going to sing the second section to you, and then we'll break it up, okay? Then there's igneous rock, here since Earth was born. Molten lava, cold and hard, and that's how it is formed. Alright, so let's practice. Alright, I'm going to sing the first two sections, or the first two lines of section 2, and then y'all are going to sing them. You're going to echo them back to me, okay? You ready? Then there's igneous rock, here since Earth was born. Molten lava, cold and hard, and that's how it is formed. So, y'all good? Let's say it all together. Then there's igneous rock, here since Earth was born. Molten lava, cold and hard, and that's how it is formed. Okay, now, why don't you all sing that? Okay, ready, go. Good job. So, let's sing this section on the ukulele. Then there's igneous rock, here since Earth was born. Molten lava, cold and hardened, that's how it is formed. So, on this section, what kind of rocks did we learn about this time? That's right, igneous rocks. And how do these rocks form? That's right, formed by molten lava that is cooled and hardened. Y'all are doing really good. Okay, so for the very last section, we're going to do the same thing we've been doing. So I'm going to sing it, and then and we'll break it down, okay? These two types of rocks can also be transformed with pressure, heat, and chemicals. Metamorphic they'll become. So, I'm going to sing the first two, and you all sing, and y'all echo them, okay? These two types of rocks can also be transformed. Second part. With pressure, heat, and chemicals, metamorphic they'll become. Good job! Now, does anybody feel like they need to do this again? Because if you do, let me know. You good? Okay. So let's sing it all together. These two types of rocks can also be transformed with pressure, heat, and chemicals. Metamorphic they'll become. Alright, let's sing it all together one more time. These two types of rocks can also be transformed with pressure, heat, and chemicals. Metamorphic they'll become. Good job. So, how do you all feel? Good? Alright. So, for the very last question, I'm going to ask you, what was the last rock we talked about? Metamorphic, that's good. And so, metamorphic rocks are formed how? Pressure, heat, and chemicals. Good job. Metamorphic rocks, they transform, and like you can make a metamorphic rock by like putting a bunch of pressure and squeezing on a sedimentary rock. Because the rock cycle, it's never ending. They all three can change. So we have to remember that. So, to sing the rock cycle song, well, why don't we sing it all together, okay? We're gonna sing it together as a class with the ukulele, and then you all are going to sing it while I play, okay? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Sedimentary rock has been formed in layers, often found near water sources, with fossils from decades. Then there's igneous rock, here since Earth was born. Molten lava cooled and hardened, that's how it was formed. These two types of rocks can also be transformed with pressure, heat, and chemicals. Metamorphic they'll become. Good job, okay? Now it's all you. Can you do it? Alright, we can do it together one more time. Ready? Sedimentary rock has been formed in layers, often found near I messed up. I need to do it again. Let's do it one more time. Sedimentary rock has been formed in layers, often found near water sources, with fossils from decay. Then there's igneous rock, here since Earth was born. Molten lava cooled and hardened, that's how it was formed. These two types of rocks can also be transformed with pressure, heat, and chemicals. Metamorphic they'll become. So, y'all ready for your final performance? Alright, we can do it. Now, after we sing this song, we are going to know about the 3 different types of rocks. We're going to know how they form and how they change. Isn't that neat? I know. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. So let's sing it one more time all together, because I want to sing it with you, okay? You got to remember our song, because we are going to have a little quiz. It won't be hard. You all can do it. You're going to fill out stuff about the song. You can do it, okay? You ready? Sedimentary rock has and found near water sources with fossils from decayers. Then there's igneous rock here since Earth was born. Molten lava cooled and hardened, that's how it was formed. These two types of rocks can also be transformed with pressure, heat, and chemicals. Metamorphic they'll become. Yay! Give yourself a round of applause. Here, let's do a round of applause. Yay! We all did so good. Okay, so everybody get your pencil, and I'm going to give you all an index card, and we are going to write down the 3 types of rocks we learned about, and you're going to put how they formed. Y'all can do that. Remember, we just learned a song all about it. You got this. Piece of cake. Thank you all for listening.